Then why are you polishing the windows? You're basically kissing this car's ass right now.
And it doesn't take that long.
Let's find it on my Instagram post. @loose media.
What's going on, Samsquanch?
Not exactly sure. I was polishing a window, and then you guys showed up and wanted to do real work. I think we're building headlight brackets for the good-looking headlights.
You showed up and started yelling at him for polishing the windows.
What the fuck are you doing? Probably really awful.
Whoa! that was pretty good. We are gonna do headlights because that's a major issue. But even more major than headlights, the car doesn't currently start.
Used to. So yeah, Mark gave us a whole list of stuff, and we kind of did it. But then we talked to him again. He's not available this week because he's traveling or something, and so we're gonna test the spark. We're gonna take out the spark plugs and look at them. We're going to make sure that they're actually getting spark, test some voltages, have to have a certain amount of voltage here and there. It probably won't take all that long. Got the batteries charged up. We're going to give it another try and see if we can make it run.
Hopefully we can get it to work, because working's good.
It's really depressing when it doesn't work.
You wouldn't believe how wonderful working is.
Very carefully.
Did he just say what I think he said?
Demonetized.
Do something, mother. Just cut it. Let's not wear it. Okay, actually, wait a second.
What did I have?
Hang on. Okay, do again. Stop. It's going down to 10.2 volts. Didn't he say it had to be 10.5?
Mark,
My phone's not here. Mark! That didn't take long. Was that like 20 seconds in? Don't wear the batteries out.
I was just seeing,
Tighten the ground?
I flipped the thing over and tightened it and made sure it was on a spot that was all fresh metal, and
It is.
it's all tight and all of our grounds are good.
And you've got a ground going from the valve cover to the iron block, and from the iron block to the chassis. And the chassis it's bare metal, and you're using the same bolt to connect the valve cover, ground, and the ground, or is it? Yeah. There's literally no resistance.
Or from my perspective, it says, "Whoo!" Man, Michael Jackson can just suck my.
9.5. What the fuck, man? How the hell? Like, starter just pulling an unbelievable amount of juice. It's turning reasonably well.
Car still misfires, but it starts on its own now. Again. For like the third time.
It makes turbo noises though. We heard blow off valve.
Yeah,
That was
it's
cool.
like the whole system's together, and there's water in it, and the temp gauge works, so that's good. We got rid of a few issues, which is nice, but
We checked a bunch of stuff, and it looks like we've got the wires in good spots. The grounds are good. So we confirmed some stuff and got it running, and it's misfiring, and we'll maybe check plugs and stuff. Huh? JZ, baby. So I'm going to say this again because I had maybe didn't have the camera on, or maybe turned it off, but basically we were dicking around with took off the spark plug wires, the coil wires that we could reach. I think it's 1, 3, and 5. And just tested to make sure that the coils were actually working, and they all worked, and they looked to fire consistently and strongly, but it's missing. And each time we pulled the plug, it sounded worse than it did before, which tells me that those were not the plugs causing the problem. The misfire seems to be very consistent. My guess is that it's going to be 2, 4, or 6 that are having some kind of issue. It definitely ran better once it warmed up. And it was always a little cold-blooded even when we were testing it before. So it seems like we're getting really close. It could be as simple as a bad coil pack.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Hi, buddy!
Don't mind
Oh, shit! Oh!
Coose.
Did you just kiss your pants?
I think he pissed himself though.
I fucking jizzed in my pants.
Almost sounds like it's idling.
What are you talking about? It sounds like shit. It does sound like shit. What the fuck is up with that? Why does it sound like shit?
I think there's not very much clearance under that exhaust there, though.
Nah, it's fine. What are you talking about?
Ah, where's Coose? There's Coose.
What are you talking about? It's fine. Oh. What are you talking about?
Hey, yeah, Wallace is running. He's gonna run over the wrench.
Oh, wait.
Don't hurt Coose. Hey, one of the reverse lights works. One light is working. That's pretty good. 2 lights are working all of a sudden, which is that's horrifying, man.
Awesome.
Fucking, it's moving under its own power. It's pretty exciting. I don't care who you are.
Holy shit. Fuck! It went out of the garage.
You drove your car. Oh my god.
I drove my car.
5 months later.
Wallace was running for the
What
hills.
he's
Dude, he
gone.
went all the way to the house.
Hell yeah. That's cool. Yeah, it still is totally running like absolute booty, but I don't know, it's outside.
You put it in gear and it moved, dude. That's a thing.
It didn't make a lot of weird clunks and bangs and stuff too, which is also nice because drift cars do that.
Yeah,
And,
God, my car, for instance.
yeah.
Sounds terrible. Damn, I like it. The fenders are so good up front. They're very good. This is what Coose looks like at full chub, apparently.
It's like the Washington Monument, except it's bigger and blacker, so it's called the Obama Monument. You like that shit, Samsquanch?
I loves me a good Obama monument, that's for sure. It's an Obamument. God, you do like the wordplay jokes. That's terrible.
Dude, what can I say? I'm a language boy. Woo! Woo! Wow. I think that's the first time I've actually taken pictures of this car.
5 cylinders that's a nice number.
Well, no, I'm talking about the psh and the Su-22.
Oh yeah, of course.
Fuck the exhaust. It doesn't sound like a Jay-Z, but like.
It is doing the choo-choo sound out the back a little too.
Really?
Yeah.
Fluttery, a little bit of. It's got the Skyline like.
Yeah. Oh, dude, you're gonna break the carbon fiber.
Dude,
you're gonna break the fucking door.
Yeah, you have to though. It needs some man slapping to get closed. It is. I love that Coose is geeking out.
Yeah, Coose is stoked. I'm stoked that you and Coose are both stoked.
Oh, I'm super. I love this car.
You want to do it before and then after? Sure. I'll get my ass on the ground and I'll get that picture.
Alright, I'm gonna run the...
Alright, so we put the car back in the garage. That was fun and that was exciting, wasn't it, Coose?
What a rush.
It was cool to see the car move under its own power for the first time in a long time. Although it's still running like absolute dog shit, it is running and it does start on its own consistently. And it's really close. It started like 2 seconds after Coose left last night.
I heard it, but I didn't know what the fuck it was.
Yeah, no, that was a car starting. We're finishing the headlights.
Here we are, which requires taking off this rear front bumper. And does that mean taking out this guy? It's
It does mean that, Coose.
so something I've been kind of thinking about. We gotta take off this bumper. We gotta snip that guy. Nice. Suddenly I don't feel safe in here. And I would like to promptly exit as a result.
Well, I got one of the new headlight brackets put on the passenger side, and this is what it looks like. I think I like it. The projectors and the halos will probably be cool, especially with a Type X bumper. After putting the shark nose on, I kind of gave up on that dream. I just think that my money would be better put into a Type X bumper and lip rather than just a lip for the shark nose, because it'll end up better. Let me know what you guys think of these headlights. I'm not going to finish them in this video because I don't know. I'm kind of not sure about them. I want to sleep on it. Coose is already sleeping on it. Everyone's pretty tired, so we're going to call it here. It was an exciting day of work, and clearly we have a little bit more cut out for ourselves, but it's getting really, really close.
You sucked off more than we could blow.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you get notifications for all of our upcoming videos and maybe another podcast.
Whoa!
Alright, I'm done.
Take it away, Wallace.